Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Saturday. And so, first of all, sorry to not upload yesterday. My throat hurts. So sorry if this video does not have very good commentary. My throat does hurt very bad right now. It's kind of hard to talk, but I'm doing my best, or I'm trying my best to talk as good as I can. So right now we have a lot of tropical activity starting to come up in the Atlantic. It's coming up pretty fast. And that's what we're going to be looking at. We are still doing the Tuesday night, Thursday night, and Saturday night special YouTube videos. I'll probably do one tonight, maybe like 15-30 minutes. I can't talk for too long, though. But first of all, I have news. We're going to be doing I'm not doing that. We're going to be doing a shout out if we hit 200 subscribers by the end of October. So pretty much by November 1st, if we have 200 subscribers, 200 or more, I will give a shout out to 5 to 10 YouTube channels, depending on how good we do. 5 to 10 YouTube channel or 5 to 10 people that would like a shout out, and I will make sure you do get some subscribers. I will make sure you do. If you don't, if one of my videos, like I give you a shout out, or if a video. The video I give you, or if I give you the video I give you guys a shout out in a video and it gets like 10 views. Let's say that. I will do a few. I will have to do a few more because I want you guys to get subscribers. But so if we get 200 subscribers by November 1st, that's what will happen. But let's go ahead and get started. Oh gosh. Okay, so right now we have a lot of activity. This is the Atlantic right now. We have Dorian. Now this is now just a tropical storm. It has 40 miles per hour. It's at 1,008 millibars, and it is the D name. We had Chantal that is now moved on. That is in the past, but we do have another system. This has a good high chance of forming here off the coast of the Atlantic. It has a 90% in the next 5 days, and in the next 2 days, 70. So we're going to have to see about that. I could potentially form. I've been tracking this for a few days on my own. But we'll have to see about that. We have another area right here, not likely. Only has about a 10% chance in the next 2 days and the next 5 days of forming right there to the south of the Louisiana and Texas border. But we're going to look into Dorian in a second, look at the forecast and stuff. And in the Pacific, we have Hurricane Ivo right now. Or Tropical Storm Ivo, I'm sorry about that. 40 miles per hour and 1,000 millibars. We do have another area disturbance in the next 5 days. That does have a 30% chance right there of forming, No activity in the Central Pacific. No, we do have some 20%, not too bad, but we'll keep an eye on that. Okay. So back to the Atlantic. What was I going to look? Oh, I wanted to look at the cone here. Okay. So this is our official cone. This thing is forecast to be a hurricane. This could make landfall in Puerto Rico. We will look at this. It's forecast to be a hurricane and make landfall in the Dominican Republic right there. And that'll happen about Thursday afternoon. So we probably will be here. I probably will be here, maybe be home from school Thursday afternoon at 5 because I have practice. But we can see it's we have it's going to be a tropical storm until about Tuesday afternoon. That's the forecast. Wind speed probabilities. Puerto Rico already has a pretty good tropical storm force wind speed and hurricane. Puerto Rico has it, and so does the Dominican Republic. A little bit of a chance, but we have what is it? I can't remember the word for it, but we're gonna have to see that one. History, really small area, tropical storm force, just right there, not orange colors. Let's take a look at the intensity guidance. Looking at all the models here, most of the models say this is back when it was 5L, not this was earlier today, not when it was 5L, not now it's Dorian, of course, but you can see most of the models said it would be a tropical storm, and then it's good. A lot of the models are saying it's going to be a Category 1 hurricane, and one says it's going to be a Category 2. But we will have to see. That's within the next 108 to 96 hours. It could be a hurricane, likely, or it could potentially be a hurricane. I'd say there's about a 50% chance of this being a hurricane. Take a look at the tracks. Now, most of the tracks are pretty grouped together, and most of them agree this thing is going to make landfall on Dominican Republic. All of the tracks, other than one, say this thing is going to make landfall. I think 4 of them say Puerto Rico, and then 2 of these say those 2 are not say it's not going to make landfall. But most of them say it's going to go right over Puerto Rico, or not Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. But where it goes after that is the interesting part. It could hit Florida, and it could re-strengthen after here. So we will have to see. But this could kind of be. When I say this, I don't think it's going to be as strong as Maria, but this could take a path similar to Maria. It could kind of go around the coast of the USA and curve around the high. But This is not going to be as strong as Maria, of course. But I'm almost positive it's not. Take a look at the malls now. Let's use this stuff. Okay, so let's go out. You can see it's at 1,003. What the heck just happened? It's at 1,003. This is Sunday, tomorrow morning. Let's go out further. Wait, what? Wait. Yeah, I'm looking at the right thing. Okay. Alright, so this is Tuesday or Monday afternoon. You can see it does start to strengthen throughout the day, Tuesday and Wednesday. As you can see, it goes in the 991 Wednesday night or Wednesday afternoon. Then this thing is forecast to be at 9. Make it down to 978 right there to the south of the islands, coast of Puerto Rico, and then 978 right before Puerto Rico. And then this thing right there at 2 p.m. on Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, it makes landfall right there in Puerto Rico at 983. Let's look at how strong it's supposed to be when it does do that, or how strong. So let's go here. So 87.7, so that's about 95 miles per hour probably. So probably a Category 1, maybe a lower end Category 2 hurricane according to the HWRF model. Right there, you can see it. Let's take a look at Windy, windy.com for the European model here. Let's go out later. This is Wednesday. We can see it's right there, and it does go past Puerto Rico, and then it kind of dies out a little bit before it hits the Dominican Republic. But the European model is not saying much. But I'll wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will have a good rest of your Saturday until I post again. And I probably will be filming a little severe weather video shortly. Hope you all have a good next hour probably. And peace.